Hello? Have you been to my online shop? The address is http://
This is not how to promote your online shop, but this is.
Welcome to EKM Blogs. A blog is a shortened term for weblog, which essentially is an online diary of events. We're not talking about the kind of diary that you used to document the first person you snogged at the school disco, or how you forgot it was non-uniform day so hid behind the maths block until the school bus home arrived because everybody was laughing at you. we all did that, right? People write blogs for many reasons, and not all of them are related to selling products or services. There are lots of blogs online that are the result of hobbies, such as cooking, fitness, lifestyle, home renovations, and so on. Some of these hobby blogs are so popular that the owner has then been able to make the blog a full-time job, earning revenue from advertising, sponsorship, and affiliate deals. We recommend that your EKM online shop has a blog linked to it, as not only does it provide another platform for customers to discover your products, but when updated regularly can increase your traffic and in turn your sales. Blogs are often used to recommend products and services, linking to related websites online. As an example, there are countless cosmetic review blogs online where makeup is tested and links are provided for you to purchase the product if you wish. You may have approached or been approached by bloggers about showcasing your products before. Regardless of the topic discussed, Google favours blog content as it recognises that blogs are populated by real people and their content has a high value. Blogs link to other websites, online shops and social media platforms, encouraging followers whilst they do so, which can make some of the more popular blogs very influential. We recommend that you create a blog on your EKM online shop as they are an excellent platform for encouraging customers to form a relationship with you, your products and your brand, to show behind the scenes content and sneak peeks of new product lines, to count down to and advertise any offers or promotions that you're running, recommending other websites, products and services that can work in conjunction with your own products, to highlight any local events that are relevant to your brand, and creating backlinks to your own EKM online shop, which in turn can help you display higher in search engine results. Now, the important thing to remember is that the internet is vast, with many people vying for an audience's attention. You may think that your product is too niche or boring to write about, but you would be surprised. The more unique your content, the higher the quality of your reader, and the more chance you have at converting them for a sale, as they will be looking for something very specific. It can be a good idea to create blog content that has a more overall look at the sector you're in, which in turn can be coupled with more specific posts. For example, if you sell model railway pieces, you could write a blog about the UK's favourite hobbies, expelling the virtue of model railways, followed by a more specific blog post about a specific train that enthusiasts will be interested in or maybe searching to buy. To install your EKM blog, head to the features page on your EKM dashboard. And don't forget, we've got loads of best practices over on our blog support guide. Click the links in the description and dive into creating your EKM blog. Good luck.